I'm a fan of Zillow.com. It's the top visited real estate website. And today I'm going to share with you how I use it in my business. I'm Cary, real estate agent. When a listing goes live on the MLS, say it goes up today, this moment, it could take up to 6 hours before it posts on Zillow. So if you're looking for instant, accurate data, contact your real estate agent or contact myself. We can get you instant access. Now, Zillow is fantastic in the way it presents it. It is, like I said at the beginning, the top real estate website. Most pages viewed, with utahrealestate.com, our local MLS, being the second behind it in our area. Now, the accuracy on Zillow is questionable at times, and we need to go in sometimes and polish it up. So you may have gone on there and noticed, I noticed my house was missing my basement square footage, which is really common in places with basements. Zillow doesn't pick up a lot of that. And so you can go in and edit it. Agents can go in and polish up their listings, adding, sometimes they don't get all the photos in there, sometimes they don't get all the data that we put up on the MLS. So going in and polishing is one of the services that I provide on the listings that I sell. Now, Zillow's Zestimate is one of the features that people talk to me about all the time. I use it all the time. It's fantastic. It gives a great range. Now, I'd only count on it as a range because Zillow themselves says that they are only accurate within 7% or 7% on average accuracy. So that means sometimes they're a lot more accurate, sometimes they're even more than 7% off on their valuation. So use it as a range. In Utah is one of these weird states, like a handful of other states, what's called a non-disclosure state. So when you sell your property, it doesn't get posted, the sales price doesn't get posted with the sale. It's not recorded on county records. So unless the MLS shared it with Zillow, in Utah they don't, Zillow wouldn't have all this accurate data. And they don't. They get a lot of their data from our county tax assessor's office, which shows assessed values, and you know how accurate those are. In fact, those are those are low. So unless an agent actually goes in and physically puts in their, or manually puts in their sales price on a listing, Zillow doesn't know exactly what it's sold for. Zillow does not show the name or the information for the listing agent. So if you want to see a property on there, you can scroll down to the bottom and it'll show you 2, maybe 3 agents' names there. Sometimes 1. And that agent is not the listing agent. That agent is an agent actually paid to have their name there. And even though you're calling the person on there and you see their picture, it's most likely not going to be them that's answering. It's going to be, they're the ones paid for it, but it's going to usually be a new agent that gets that call and wants to show you the property. Now their goal, I know this because I've done this. I've paid for Zillow leads in the past, I don't now. But new agents are the ones that answer it because they're usually lower quality leads. They don't have your interest in mind. They don't have the sellers. They don't have any knowledge of the property. So reach out to somebody that you have experience working with, an agent that you have a relationship with, or myself, and they'll put your interest first. Again, I'm a fan of Zillow.com. We use it all the time in our business. I encourage people to go on there. If you're looking for instant data, reach out to your agent. Make sure you're looking at accurate data there, which most of the time is, I think the majority of agents go in and clean up the listings, make sure their data is accurate. If you're looking at houses that are not on the market, you'll see a lot more inaccurate data. So I'm Cary, real estate agent. Look forward to helping in the future.